Error code 13 and stopped making ice. Clear ice maker. Model UHNP 315.
When did you last replace your ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker?
Under a year. 5 months ago.
How long has this been going on with your ice maker? What have you tried so far?
Started during the night. Was fine yesterday. Nothing. Don't know what error code 13 means from manual.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hi, my name is Tamar. I'm your personal HVAC/appliance expert on JustAnswer. First of all, I would like to thank you for using JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Please afford me the same patience I will afford you when it comes to responding. I will do my best. Am human, may be in the field, and cannot respond instantaneously. Hi, I've got the service manual pulled up, and number 13 is an auger error. https://www.uline.com/userguide/pdf/index/sku UHNP 315 SS01A/ We need to verify the auger motor is receiving proper voltage. If it is, it should be checked for jams, and if free and clear, replaced.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.